Action. See ya, cunt.
Lately I've been dreaming the same things about you.
How fucking deep is it?
The same things about me.
Good morning vlog. It's what time is it? 6 AM. I'm about to leave to go hit a sunrise spot at a mountain and a road apparently. First time brushing a car. That sounds fun. The Agu sandwiches are the best they don't have my favorite one.
Fill up the car.
What's the food hole? Boston food hole. Which one do I eat? Ham, egg and cheese? Or a minced tuna roll?
None of it.
Vote now. Kind of clearing up. It's kind of clearing. The top of the mountain's like where that cloud patches are. So we're at the road. This is the road, and behind me is meant to be the mountain, but it's kind of hidden. So in the meantime, we're just gonna shoot around with this idiot. He's shooting a dad shot.
Okay.
With trees and a sun flare. Give it a kick down.
How fucking deep is it? Actually knee deep.
That's bro.
You!
No.
Yeah, that's
That massive chunk was just like stuck to our car. There's probably one on the other side too.
Yeah.
Going up. A little bit confident.
And I'm thinking of you most everywhere. See your face. Closer to the bar.
So we can cover again. Cool. So it's kind of a fail. Didn't really clear up, but I got the drone up and it was alright. And the snow's pretty nice. Shot some portraits and hats off somewhere. Where'd he go?
pole.
Oh, fuck. Hidden behind the pole. How deep is it, Pat?
Waist deep in snow.
I kind of want to walk halfway up to the house. Imagine you walked out to the middle, but
Makes you feel like a little kid.
you don't even know what's under there. It could be like
You have no idea.
their crops or like something.
Action. See ya, cunt.
왜들 그리 다운돼 있어 뭐가 문제야 say something 분위기가 겁나 싸
Keep going.
요새 이런 게 유행인가
Not really.
왜들 그리
More.
재미없어
More.
아 그건 나도 마찬가지 Tell me what I got to do 급한 대로 블루투스 켜 아무 노래나 일단 틀어 아무거나 신나는 걸로 아무렇게나 춤춰 아무렇지 않아 보이게 아무 생각하기 싫어 아무개로 살래 잠시 I'm sick and tired of my everyday Keep it up 한곡도
Sammy.
No, listen to me, Simon. So what do you think? What do you think of this morning spot? You gotta rate it. What's this morning spot called? Mountain Road. Road and Mountain.
Mountain road.
It's pretty cool though. It's like in
So
like a
original.
white kind of. Thanks, man. Out of 10, go 10.
7.
Everything's f***ing 7 B, bro.
What about you? 5.5.
Huh?
Decimal points are even worse.
I think it's like 5.
5.25.
Like a 5. It was great, but like there was really nothing there. But it was great. It was fun anyway because it was snow.
Sorry, it wasn't a 7, it was a 5 actually. Because
You did, yeah. Did you
no,
take anything?
yeah, no, the mountain was covered. But if it wasn't covered, yeah,
Be nicer, right?
yeah.
Pat?
7.
So you can't.
7.5.
I'm gonna cut to you saying, oh, we shouldn't do 7.
Actually, here's the thing. Have a rating scale that's not in LA.
But I'm gonna cut that part out. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's What are we doing?
Finding a tree.
Finding trees so we can shoot a tree in there. Some snow. There's not much out here. I rate this strong 1 out of 10. This is meant to be one of those minimalist locations with just white and 1 tree. Let's see how we go. Done. Well, we were in Bay. B-I-E-I.
B-A-E.
It's like pretty much just, it's like snowfields and stuff. It's like minimalist kind of landscapes and stuff. And we walked out there, but you're not allowed to walk onto a lot of those like landscapes. We're trying to find another place, somewhere quieter, something with a better composition. So, yeah, we'll see you there. So, I think we found a spot. Just like a lone stack of trees. And then Sad K is gonna go walk up there. It's kinda cool, I guess. So we got it. It's kind of minimal. He's framed up alright. The tree to the left is kind of shit, but I guess I can Photoshop that out. We're at the final like nature spot for today, the Shirogane Blue Pools. It might be frozen over, and if it is, it's gonna be pretty shit, but hopefully it isn't. Check it out. Hi, Pat. Hey, Dan. Tell me something.
Nothing.
Nothing. The big reveal, eh? It's f***ing frozen over. That whole area is meant to be blue and water, but GG.
Happy days. Definitely need spikes, bro.
Yeah, these floors are so slippery, man. They don't look at that
So
way.
easy, eh?
Yeah. We just finished a fat feed and now we're gonna wander around and shoot some street and hopefully it snows. But I'm gonna switch to GoPro soon.
Redo that, please.
Okay, it's meant to. Can you hear that?
I'm good, she good, we good, it's all good, and that's good, that's good, that's good, cause I'm
Yeah,
good.
then I woke myself up, painted the scene they got. My queen bee swinging to my sonnet as I lay by. It's how I want it. In a minute she wrote something that stank good. Feeling haunted the way she ghosted, I make eye contact. Both of our tummies making the same tune. Heat up the